Yes, here is my new toy, DJI Mini SE. So there are two options for this one. I'm unboxing my new toy. Just figured out, I don't know which side should be on top. So I'm just reading, I'll ask my wife to help me for filming. So could you please show this side of the box? Yes, see the upright position is, so this side must be on top because I purchased the Fly More combo version. So I think this side must be on top. So not not this side. Okay, I'm just opening the box. So I'm using my bottle opener. I'm not a professional, the professional person. So I'm using my wine bottle opener. I think I should remove this film layer. I'll remove this. I don't want to put, because I'm in the garden, I don't want to put rubbish out. It's windy here. Okay. Alright. See, there is a very good carrier bag. So you can use this bag when you travel with your equipment, with your gear. You can use this carrying bag. Yeah, that's quite good. So I'm opening. Alright. So I hope to see these things one by one. I will check. So this is the drone units. This one, I don't know what it is. This suss it out. Alright. Okay, I think this must be charging hub. Okay, I will just check the accessories from the website. So one aircraft. Here is the aircraft. 3 intelligent flight battery. 3 intelligent battery. Okay, 2 is inside the charging unit. Maybe 1, I guess. I put this here for now. I guess the other battery, the third battery, must be inside the drone. 3 pair of spare propellers. I don't know. I think these things are propellers, and maybe underneath this 3 spare ones. Where are they? I'm opening this box. Okay, yes. Alright, propellers here. What else? 1 micro USB cable. Have a look. I think this one is micro USB cable. Or maybe this one. I'm not a technician. 1 RC cable, USB connector. This must be yeah, must be all cables must be here. Screwdriver, one screwdriver. Oh, this is, oh, I need this one for my mobile phone. Charging hub, this, the box, and two of the spare batteries already inside. And remote, the most important one, remote control. I think I can put my mobile phone on this and then use it like a screen to see what I am filming. Unfold these things, I'll figure out how it works, and then you can put your mobile, download the mobile app and use that as like to monitor the filming. Right, what else? I think I've got all included in the box because I'm not a professional. If I lose this or smash it, crash it, it is what it is. It will cost me 600 bucks. Otherwise, if I buy a new professional version, it will cost me thousands of dollars. So this happens. I'm watching YouTube, and then this is happening a lot. So many people lose these expensive toys very easily. So I have to study my lesson, learn how to use it. Okay, I'm back. Just had a quick walk and come back to my new toy. It's a little bit complicated. There are a lot of stuff, maybe good stuff. Uh, remote controller and the base unit have separate cables, like base unit, which is aircraft. It's here. I just opened the box and I unfolded the propellers. I just first unfolded the front ones and then the rear ones, otherwise it's stuck. So I follow the instructions. I'm charging it now. um, I can charge like this, or I take out the battery and put it a charger hub, and then I charge all batteries all together. There are three spaces. I try to do it a traditional way. Here is the controller. Controller has the micro USB cable. So I am using my old charger for this one. It's a lot of work actually. It's like intricate. It's like a complicated. Um and maybe I am getting old. I am aging. So this my son. Maybe it will be fun for him, but for me, to be honest, it's time wasting. And this charger hub, it came two spare batteries. It's tricky, so it's a good idea before you do anything. You should read the instruction carefully, otherwise you can damage um, your device. It is very, these pins are very fragile. Here are two spare batteries. It's very tricky. You should push here before you remove and then just take it out. You can easily take it out without damaging your uh, what's called uh, charger hub. This charger hub is like a power bank. It is said I could use my other batteries like GoPro's batteries. I can use this to charge it, but I'm not sure. I have to double check that. There are a lot of cables come with this bundle. Uh, when you unfold your controller, because you're gonna use your mobile phone. So everyone has a different mobile phone. Some of you guys have Samsung, some of you guys have iPhone. So there are different kind of micro cables you can use in the controller. See, this is one of those extra spare cables for see there is a space here. I'll put my Samsung phone, and then this is like a micro USB, and then this part is similar pins with I think micro cable, and the other end here will be connected to your mobile device. Yeah, this carrying bag. See, now everything is very messy. I'll tidy up. Uh, so it's nice, very versatile carrying bag. I have similar thing when I purchased my GoPro. I did the same. I purchased with the actually it was like an introductory a special offer. So it's come with the bag. So I'm using that. I like that. I am enjoying that. Tomorrow I'll try to fly this. Lastly, I'm charging the charger hub to two-way charger hub. I already charged a second battery, spare battery. It's a very intelligent charger. It works in a different way than my GoPro charger. GoPro charger, um, small simultaneously, yeah, they start charging all of them at the same time, but of course the charging finish times are different, but this one is very intelligent, charges one by one, so the other battery already fully charged, so I took it out, so the last one I'm waiting for it. I can use this one. I have tested already. I can use this like a power bank. At least I had a free power bank uh, in the bundle.